When I booked an obstructed Infinite Veranda cabin on Celebrity Beyond, I wasn't sure what to expect. Here's the truth about these rooms. So as you step inside the cabin, to my right, I have the bathroom here. So let's take a peek at the bathroom. Now, I am really impressed with Celebrity's bathrooms because I do feel like they are very spacious. Look at the artwork, you guys. Now, this is, like I said, a pretty spacious bathroom. I will throw in a clip of me just standing inside the bathroom so you can see how much space is actually in here. You have lots of shelving. You have 4 shelves here. Same thing on this side. More shelves. So you have shelving on each side. You have a nice sized sink here. And plenty of space just on the sink or counter. Now down here we also have some shelving. We got a trash can there. We got some extra toiletries and things on that side, and some towels here, as well as a hair dryer. And here, let's see what that is. I'm not even sure. Comment down below and let me know if you know what that switch is. It says C16. Interesting. There is some products here too. We got some body lotion and some soap scrub, which I meant to buy some hand soap, but I forgot. Darn it. Over here we have the toilet. Pretty basic. It's a toilet. And then we have a shower. So, y'all know what I love about this shower. It has a glass door. We love a glass door. We don't want no curtains. So we open up the shower here. It's also very spacious. It does come with shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Someone asked on a previous cabin tour what kind of shower gel and what products came in there. I never used those, so I don't remember to look for them, but I'm gonna try to make a conscious effort to remember to show that in the videos as well. So you do get shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner here. And it looks like it's a Celebrity brand because it does have the X on it. But yeah, this is nice marble design on the shower. You got a shower head that is a wand, so you can pull that out and use it. You got a footrest in here and a place to put your soap and something to hold on to if you need to. So again, very nice sized bathroom. So as you step out of the bathroom, over here you have controls. So there's a lot of things you can control here. You can control the temperature in the room. Looks like right now it's set on 21 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna see if I can change it to Fahrenheit. Yes, I can. So I'm changing that to Fahrenheit. The window lock is currently off. We got temperature. So these are the settings. You can close the blinds from here. Let's play around with those. So morning, I guess it's on morning already. Movie just kind of dimmed it a little bit. I'm gonna hit evening. And sleep. My blinds started closing and I don't want them closed, so I turned it back up. I want those open so I can show it to you guys. Over here we have a couple of closets. So here we got this kind of little hidden compartment here that's sort of shelving space. So it's a good place to be able to store some items. And it's cute little decor here too. And then we have the full closet. So this is one full closet there, as well as over here. So it's actually just one combined closet. So honestly, this is a very limited amount of closet space in my opinion. I feel like we could definitely use more, especially with there being 2 of us, but this is what we got. We're gonna make it work. We have a table with a lamp, and we have drawer space here. It looks like we have 3 drawers, I'm sorry. 3 drawers. Top drawer there looks a little less deep than these other 2. Drawer there and drawer there. So that's the dresser space. It does have a lamp on it, like I said, and we've got some outlets over here. So we got a 220 volt, 2 110 volts, and 2 USB ports. And also, all of my tickets for shore excursions and whatnot are here. So I got resort tickets for Bimini World. Those are there. Roommates are there too. I don't know what this is. I have to look at it. And And then the celebrity today is the paperwork that shows you everything that is going on. You can use this if you would like, or everything is also in the app. There is so much that you can do on the app these days that's typically what I stick to. If you're the type of person that likes to have a piece of paper in front of you that explains things, that's what this celebrity today is. It's telling you all about all kinds of tips and info, opening hours for dining on board, different activities available throughout the day, and it's just a comprehensive list of all the things going on your celebrity ship. We also have some bottles of water in here. They are not free. They are $5.50 per person. And down here, we do have a cooler / mini bar. Now, these items obviously are for purchase. Wine, pops, all kinds of stuff. Those are the prices for those items. Now we are just gonna ask them to clear this stuff out for us because we have our own bottles of wine that we want to put in the refrigerator. We have a desk area. So you can use this as a desk to work at. You can use it as a vanity area. Whatever you want to do with it, it's up to you. But it is something I feel that's useful. And it's a nice space for you to be able to pull out something if you need to work here. And you have a chair with a back. A chair with a back is huge if you have to sit and do work for long periods of time. On this side, we have a couch, sofa. I'm not sure if this is like a let out sofa bed. Let me see. I can't really tell. But we do have a sofa here. That's the artwork over the sofa. And over here, we have the bed area. Now the bed right now is set up as a combined bed, a king size. We're gonna get it split because we each need our own bed. So, but for right now, this is how it is. I'll put some footage in of what it looks like separated. Now on this side, we have a little nightstand that has a lamp and a few shelves. You also have an outlet here and 2 USB ports here. And I believe that's probably a light switch. Yes, that is a light switch there too. And you got a switch on your lamp too. So this light switch here operates the lighting on that side of the room. If I walk over to the other side of the bed, we have a couple shelves, so a little bit less shelving, and also no outlet on this side. So keep that in mind. Your outlet is only going to be on one side of the bed. A little disappointing. That's a little disappointing because there are 2 of us and we are going to both need an outlet at some point. But this is what we have, so we'll make do with it. The Infinite Veranda, you guys. Check this out. Now, I don't recall if I mentioned already, but this is an obstructed view cabin. So this is our Infinite Veranda, and that is the obstruction. I believe they said our obstruction would be about 40%. It seems about right, I think. So that's the bottom side of the veranda. Top side, clear view out the window. So it's up to you. Doing an obstructed view cabin is a way to get that kind of balcony upgrade or veranda upgrade, Infinite Veranda as they call it on Celebrity, without the full upgraded price. Okay, so save yourself a few coins if you're okay with an obstruction. Make sure you check it out because it'll tell you usually when you book it how much of an obstruction you have. I probably wouldn't do it if I had, 90% obstruction, but this works for me. I'm okay with it. Over here we've got some controls for your Infinite Veranda. The captain can close this due to weather or cleaning. Let's hope that doesn't happen. There's a light. And we have some switches here. So I'm hitting the button. That button there will bring your shades down. It is very slow and a little loud too. I want to put it back up. Back up. Now I want to put the actual veranda down. So I believe that will be this button. Yep, there it comes. You do have to hold this button down for the veranda to actually come down. So I'm just holding it.
A few moments later.
And that is the view from our Infinite Veranda obstructed view cabin. I dig it. You also have your 2 seats here. 1 seat, 2nd seat, and a little table that you can enjoy some breakfast or read off of, whatever you want to do. But it does have these doors that kind of open and close too. So you could close that completely off if you wanted to.